Scattered across the Indian Ocean, the Maldives glimmer like a string of jewels. Each island is a tiny self-contained paradise, rings of coral encircling turquoise lagoons. From above, the water glows with a blue so vivid it feels unreal. This is more than a destination, it's a dreamscape where sea and sky merge. The moment you arrive, the air is warm and fragrant, the sand soft as silk beneath your feet. Overwater villas rise elegantly from the lagoon, offering solitude and endless ocean views. Life here moves slowly, sunlight sparkles on the water, palm fronds whisper in the breeze. Peace settles in, broken only by the gentle sigh of waves. Time stretches, inviting you to savor every moment. Watch tiny crabs trace patterns in the sand, or simply lose yourself in the shifting colors of the lagoon. Here, days are measured by the sun's arc, not by clocks. The Maldives remind us of the beauty in stillness and the wonder in simplicity. It's a place to just be. Beneath the calm surface, a vibrant world awaits. Snorkeling here is like entering a living cathedral of coral, staghorn, brain, and anemones teeming with life. Parrotfish flash neon colors, Moorish idols glide by, and clownfish peek from their homes. Every turn reveals a new marvel in this underwater paradise. As the sun sets, we board a traditional dhoni, gliding across the glowing water. Suddenly, dolphins appear, leaping, racing, and playing in the golden light. Their joy is infectious, their freedom palpable. The sky ignites in orange and lavender, reflecting on the sea like liquid fire. The world grows hushed as the sun slips away. Each sunset here is a moment of pure wonder. The day ends, but the magic lingers. Beyond the resorts, Maldivian life flows with gentle rhythm and warmth. On local islands, smiles are genuine and hospitality is heartfelt. Children play in sandy streets, fishermen mend nets, and the ocean shapes every day. Generations pass down a deep respect for nature and the sea. Life is simple, grounded in community and harmony with the environment. Wellness here is rooted in nature. Spa pavilions open to the sea, treatments scented with frangipani and sandalwood. The ocean view calms the mind, the breeze soothes the soul. It's more than relaxation, it's a chance to reconnect with yourself. Here, serenity is as vast as the horizon. The Maldives invite you to rediscover what truly matters. As night falls, the islands transform under a sky ablaze with stars. The Milky Way stretches overhead, and the air is filled with the music of waves. Dining on the beach, fresh fish and tropical fruits celebrate the ocean's bounty. Each bite is savored, every moment unhurried. The experience is simple, yet deeply luxurious. The Maldives touch you beyond scenery or comfort. It's a feeling of peace and wonder. Memories of underwater gardens, leaping dolphins, and warm smiles linger long after you leave. This place changes you, quietly and profoundly. The Maldives become a sanctuary in your heart, a dream in blue you can always return to. Here, you remember the beauty of our world and the peace found in true connection. The islands are more than a destination, they're a feeling that endures, a dream that lives on forever.